to my channel. Today we're gonna do a video about the squeeze station. I bought this because my friend recommended it to me when I was pregnant, and I thought that it was time for me to buy it because Giselle is 11 months old and I feel like now she's ready to squeeze the little pouch in her mouth instead of me always having to feed her spoon by spoon. Plus, I'm sure she's bored when I do that. If you are interested in knowing how to use the squeeze station and what my thoughts are about it, then keep watching. The reason why I purchased the squeeze station is because in my previous video, I had showed you guys how to make baby fruit puree / smoothie. I have them over here. The first thing I want to talk to you guys is about the squeeze station. Obviously I washed it. So what I like about this is that it's super easy. I mean, anyone can understand how to use this. You don't even have to read the instructions because it's just so easy to understand. So this came with 10 pouches. So all these, it was 10 of them, and it comes with a little cap. So that's what comes with this package, and I will link everything down below in the description. So if you guys are interested in purchasing it for your babies or for your toddlers, then I highly recommend it because this is something that you cannot go wrong. I went online and I bought 50 more of the pouches because I just wanted to have extra because I know that we're gonna fill them up. I bought the ones that you can throw away. They were also reusable ones online. These are BPA and PVC free, which is also something that I really like. So in my previous video, I showed you guys how to make your pureed food for your baby, and I used only fruits because I wanted to put it in the pouch. You can also do vegetables, obviously, but I wanted to do fruits just because I thought that this would be a good idea to give as a snack to Giselle whenever she's hungry in between her meals. It also says that you can use this on the go. So let's say, for instance, you're going somewhere with your family and you have no access to a microwave or anything like that. And this is also something that's really cool to have. What I also like about these pouches is that you can write the date on it with a permanent marker. You can also write what the food is, so that way you will remember what's inside. Anyway, so I'm super excited to start this video. If you're interested in knowing how to do this, keep watching. We are gonna start with the banana kiwi. You wanna take the pouch and you wanna slide it. It literally just slides in, and you hear that. So you wanna do it on this side. Listen. There you go. It's in. If you don't hear that noise, it's not well installed. There you go. So all three are here. So you want to just twist these on top. You want to twist it so it's nicely installed. So then I'm going to take my first puree, which is banana kiwi. And apparently these pouches go up to 4 ounces. So now we are going to put our puree. So now you just want to squeeze it down. So this one is full already, so then what you want to do, slide this out, and then you just want to close it. And there you have your pouch. So we are going to do this with all the other ones. So guys, this is a little bit messy, so you want to make sure that you clean them after a little bit. So we're gonna write on it what it is. So it's banana and kiwi. And then you want to put the date on it. So those are done. Next, we're gonna do the apple sauce. Alright guys, this one seems that it's less messy than the other one. Maybe because the consistency is a little thicker. Guys, these taste so good. So now let's keep going until everything is filled out.